Get ready for a frightening revelation as we expose the shocking reality behind AI's massive investments. From stealthy surveillance and military warfare, where AI becomes the ultimate weapon, to the ruthless algorithms fueling addictive gambling apps, and the deceptive advertising targeting unsuspecting consumers, this video attempts to expose it all. What if we told you that while AI thrives in these malevolent realms, crucial sectors like healthcare, education, agriculture, and environmental protection are being left in the dust? Watch till the end to learn more about how massive investments proliferate into AI in these four areas, with supporting arguments and recent reports. 1. Military warfare. Many powerful countries are pouring huge amounts in developing killing machines, killing robots, and killing drones under the flag of defense systems. For healthcare research or drug development, it is very hard for companies to find investors. Whereas, when it comes to a new AI-driven weapon that can kill tens of thousands of people, there are many investors. According to a report by Center for Security and Emerging Technology, regrettably, there is an alarming excess of investment in defense systems worldwide. The top 50 global defense companies, generating $1.197 trillion in revenue in 2019, allocated $475 billion to defense. For instance, the excessive investment in defense systems by China and the US, the world's powerful nations, is deeply worrisome. China's new generation artificial intelligence development plan alone has received hundreds of billions in investments, while the US defense budget allocated billions of dollars for AI research. Such staggering amounts further fuel an AI arms race and encourage other countries to invest more in warfare. The world should be greatly concerned about this dangerous trend. 2. Surveillance. Excessive investment in spying and surveillance by rival nations poses a dangerous risk to global peace. The negative trend diverts resources from crucial areas like healthcare and education. The investment in AI surveillance systems perpetuates a cycle that benefits powerful elite companies, generating more financial gains for them. This not only exacerbates the problem but also encourages other countries to invest heavily in warfare rather than promoting peace and cooperation. According to a report, the prevalence of AI surveillance systems silently judges individuals based on their actions, emotions, and appearance, fundamentally altering the nature of surveillance. Authoritarian regimes exploit these technologies to control their populations. It is crucial to address this worrisome situation, redirect resources towards beneficial AI development, and promote cooperation over competition for the sake of global peace and security. 3. Gambling. The alarming trend of excessive investment in gambling and online betting apps is causing devastating consequences for our society. According to a report by casinosandlean.com, the online gambling industry has more than doubled in the past 4 years, amassing a staggering 176 million users and generating over $95 billion in revenue in 2023 alone. Studies indicate that online gambling addiction wreaks havoc on individuals' lives, leading to detrimental effects on employment, education, and personal finances. Shockingly, over 80 million people worldwide have succumbed to the allure of online gambling since 2019. Pushing the total number of users to a staggering 176 million. This exponential growth is expected to continue, with projections estimating a rise to over 210 million users within the next 2 years. It is disheartening to witness how gambling companies exploit advanced AI technology to manipulate players, target vulnerable individuals for bonuses, and optimize their profits. The prioritization of gambling over crucial societal needs is a distressing reflection of our misplaced priorities. As the gambling industry continues to flourish, we must recognize the dire consequences it has on individuals, communities, and the overall well-being of our society. 4. Advertising. The rise of AI in the advertising industry is a worrisome trend that prioritizes reckless advertisement. The negative impact of this trend is evident as it leads to increased profits for the investors while causing harm to individuals. McKinsey recently reported the alarming reality that this excessive investment in AI-driven advertising continues to grow. According to CNN report, the world's largest advertising agency, WPP, has joined forces with chipmaker NVIDIA to create ads using generative AI. Unfortunately, this focus on AI-powered advertising comes at the expense of ethical practices. Such advertisements manipulate consumer behavior, engage in deceptive practices, and spread misinformation. Misleading claims, targeting vulnerable populations, price discrimination, addiction and compulsive behavior, and the spread of misinformation are just some of the negative impacts associated with AI in advertising. Ethical guidelines, regulations, and accountability mechanisms must be established to ensure responsible AI use in advertising. Otherwise, our society will continue to be harmed by the unchecked influence of AI-powered advertising. In summing up, the current state of AI investment reveals a disturbing prioritization of profit over the well-being of society. Massive investments are pouring into industries such as warfare, surveillance, gambling, and advertising, while crucial sectors like healthcare, education, agriculture, and environmental protection suffer from inadequate funding. Urgent action is needed to redirect resources and prioritize responsible AI investments that address societal needs and foster a better future for all. We encourage you to share your thoughts on this alarming trend. If you find this video meaningful and want more such content, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.